Good afternoon, everyone, and good evening to the Sydney Siders. Good afternoon to the rest of the lot from India and probably other countries, different time zone. Probably some might be still sleeping. Hello. Come on. I still cannot see. Oh, there comes someone. I have to read out the names. Sangeeta Nutan Kumar. Thank you for watching. Geeta Ambarish. Hi. Manjula Gudisagars. Hello. Geeta Ambarish. Hi. Hello. Hi, Manjula. Hello. Looks like it's picking up because the person who is going to sing today has got something on and she has to rush. So before I start anything, probably I'll be joining you guys after she finishes the session. I'll be very quick introducing her. Welcome to Wholesome Wednesday session number 14. Today's session is all about music. We have had about 3 music sessions already, and as you all know, music is very therapeutic and it's really enjoyable, and only a handful of people don't like music. I think I posted something about music haters in the previous one, but anyway, all in all, let me just say hello to Preeti. Hi Preeti. Hi Leelavati. Hello Shruti. Who else is there? Yeah, I've said hello to whoever is there. Music is very therapeutic, and majority, about 99% or 99.8% are music lovers. It could be in any language, like, music is really therapeutic. Now, not taking much of time, I'm very quickly introducing Preeti Rao, who I was introduced by a close friend of mine from Sydney, and it's actually her daughter-in-law's friend. Yeah, she's watching here. Padmashri, hello. Thanks for introducing Preeti. Preeti is a professional singer, and a surprise element is also there tonight, which I only figured a few minutes ago. Preeti's mom will also be singing along with us. Both Preeti and her mom are professional singers, and they also do conduct classes as well, like online music lessons. And Preeti will be able to let you all know what the classes are, and if she has a website. I doubt she's having a website, but anyway, she's going to mention about that. And Preeti has a kind of like, all multi-talented and multilingual kind of like assets in her. She can sing in all the 5 languages, and as you all know, she is a professional singer, and she has kind of like, sung in Tamil, Kannada, and Hindi movies as well. Probably she will be able to enlighten us, and a brief gist of hers, what she was doing, was available. I won't take much of time. I will come back after Preeti finishes her session, and I can kind of like chat to you all about what the saris was for today. There's a little bit of story behind that, and I can have a chit chat later on. All right, Preeti, you are watching. I'm going to finish off and you take over. I know you're in a hurry. I'll just quickly call out the names, whoever is watching here. Hello to Rajamani, Shobha Jaisimha, Renuka, Annapurna, Padmashri, Devi Balaji, Komla, and Soumya Nilavar. Okay, I'm going to finish off. Preeti, please take over. Thank you.
Hello? Okay, we're live. Hi Himaji, hello everyone. Sorry for the technical glitch. I'm a little late. Hello, Hemaji. Thank you for having me here. So I'll wait for a few more viewers to join in. Hi. Hello, Hemaji.
Nice.
So good evening to everyone.
Yeah, the surprise element is your mom, which is excellent.
Yes, my mom is here too, Mom. This is Hemaji.
Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for. Okay, so I think we have 3 viewers.
Yeah. Since you're like rushing, I cut short everything. I'll take over after you finish. You can start.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Actually, quit so that like
So
can see you in full.
okay, yes, I will introduce myself. Should I wait for a couple of minutes for people to join in? Hi everyone, thank you so much for having me on the Sari Gallery group. It's a lovely feeling to sing for all you wonderful, beautiful ladies. So first of all, I would like to thank Padmashri Aunty for introducing me to Hema Shetty ji and to this lovely group. With I keep seeing all your posts of your very versatile designs and colors of saris. It's really nice to see the updates on this group, and it's really a very nice feeling to perform for all of you. So I'm Preeti Rao. I'm from Bangalore, India. So I'm a corporate trainer, I'm a professionally trained singer, and a proud army wife. So with me, I have my mom, my first guru, Jaya Rao, who's also agreed to perform for all of you today. So we are here to perform uh, uh, a few hand-picked melodies from different languages for all of you. So I hope you all like these songs. Um, so before I start singing, a small introduction. Thank you, Hemaji, for introducing me. Yes, so like Hemaji mentioned, I've been learning music since my childhood. My mom is my first guru, and now after learning music for more than 2 decades, I've started teaching music, following my mom's footsteps. So we teach Carnatic, classical. We teach light music, and also light music can be bhavagite, movie songs, and so folk songs and so on. And we also do a third category of classes, which is training people for stage shows. So we also train for these. Without much ado, I will come back to telling about other things I do. Before that, let me start with a lovely number for all of you. So this is a beautiful melodious song from the movie Anuradha, and is a very lovely number to start the show with. So I hope you like it. So please keep sharing your thoughts in the comment section. I like when the show is very interactive. And please tell me if the volume, the audio is fine, please. समा समाए प्यार का किसी के इंतजार का दिल ना चुराने कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का समा समाए प्यार का किसी के इंतजार का दिल ना चुराने कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का I see more ladies joining in. yes. I hope the audio is fine. Please do let me know in the comment section. बसने लगे आँखों में कुछ ऐसे सपने, बसने लगे आँखों में कुछ ऐसे सपने, कोई बुलाए जैसे नैनों से अपने, नैनों से अपने ये समा है दीदार का, किसी के इंतजार का, तेरे ना चुराने कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का. Thank you, Hemandi. Thank you. Karoke is not audible. Okay. Now it should be better. So I would first like to thank Hemandi for giving me an opportunity to wear a sari during this lockdown. I hardly had an opportunity to wear a sari. So thank you, Hemandi. समा है खुमार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुराने कहीं मेरा मौसम ये समा है प्यार का. A lovely melodious number, Ye Sama, for all of you. So yes, I see the numbers increasing. It's really nice to see to have more people joining us. I hope you like the song. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section. How you like the song? How you like my sari? I don't know if you're able to see my sari though. So yes, now I'm over to my mom. Now I request my mom to sing a lovely number for you, originally sung by Geeta Dutt. Yes.
Hello everybody. This song is from the movie Bye Bye, which was released in 1956. Any guesses?
And it's sung by Geeta Dutt. You already gave them a...
No guess?
No, I think there's a delay, so they take a minute for them to get this message. Yeah. So. Okay, any guesses, guys? Which song this is? Okay, here comes the music.
Now you can guess.
Retro number. Yes, Hemaji, you're right.
तू किस पे आ गया है ओ मेरे जोकर बाबू बिछा गया है जरा समझ जा शायद जवाना वो कौन है जोकर बाबू बिछा गया है मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है वो कौन है जोकर बाबू बिछा गया है Thank you everybody. Hope you all like this song. Have you heard this song first of all? Hope most of you have heard this. Thank you.
This retro number that mom sung. This is originally sung by Geeta Dutt. So yes, so the next song I have for all of you is a very very famous number sung by, yes, Hemaji says she has heard the song before.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, so the next song I have is a very famous number sung by Yesudas ji. So I hope you all enjoy this. So I know it's around 8 p.m. in Australia, so I'm picking melodious numbers for the time there. I hope you're liking the song selection. Please keep sharing your thoughts in the comment section. It's really nice when I can interact with the audience. सच्चा कोई सपना ले जा मुझको कोई अपना ले जा अनजाना सा मगर कुछ पहचाना सा हल्का फुल्का शबनमी रेशम से भी रेशमी कन्ने कलवाने कन्वलने कंदेलुने नानी पगलुने नान पार्टी आंडवने गिरे नान केकिरी राधी राधा राधी So I hope you enjoyed that Hindi Tamil combo song. This is one of my very, very, very favorite. Again, going to hand over the mic to my mom. I request her to Kannada number. This is a very, very famous Kannada number, originally sung by S. Janaki ma'am. So, mom, you want to give them a few clues which song you're singing?
ಈ ಹಾಡು ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಚಿತ್ರದಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು. ಎಸ್ ಜಾನಕಿ ಅವರು ಹಾಡಿರೋದು. ತುಂಬಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಹಾಡು.
It's a very, very famous song, yes.
ನನ್ನ ಫೇವರೇಟ್. Hope I will do justice.
Of course you will. Okay, so here comes the song. Welcome, Padmashri auntie.
Thank you, Padmashri. ಪ್ರೇಮ ವಸಂತದ ರಾಗವು ಮಿಡಿಯಿತು, ಆಶಾವಾರದ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಹಾಡಿತು, ನವ ಜೀವನದ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯು ಬೆಳಗಿತು, ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದಿಂದ ನನ್ನೀಡಾಡಿತು. Thank you.
Lovely, mom. Thank you for that lovely song, mom. Actually, I have not had the courage to try the song on the stage because every time I hear mom sing, I know I cannot sing it to that perfection. So, thank you for that lovely song, mom. song I have in queue for all of you is I see Padmashri Auntie has joined. Auntie, thank you so much for introducing us to this group and to Hemaji. Thank you for joining us again today. So I saw somebody requesting for Hindi song. So this is a very famous recent Hindi number by Monali Thakur for all of you. मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जाऊंगी ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जाऊंगी कोई टोह टोह ना धागे किस तरह गिर आए सूझी है रोम रोम एक तारा है रोम रोम एक तारा जो हमें से गुजरे ये मोह मोह की धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जाऊंगी कोई टोह टोह ना धागे किस तरह गिर आए सूझी Thank you, Sandhya. Thank you, Zahida ji. Thank you. तू होगा तेरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना तू होगा तेरा पागल तू है चुना कैसे दुनिया तू संग संग तू होगा तेरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना तू लेके सारे मेरा मिल जाए शामों की तरह ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जाऊंगी कोई टोह टोह ना लागे किस तरह गिर आए Thanks, Padmashri Auntie. Thank you, Manjula ji. Thank you, Bobby ji. I love the interlude in this song. It's beautiful. ये तेरी छोटी बातें मैं सारी मान ये तेरी छोटी बातें मैं सारी मान आँखों से तेरी सच सच सब कुछ अभी जाना ये तेरी छोटी बातें मैं सारी मान ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों
कोई तो है नाराज़ी, किस तरह निभाए सुलझे। So yes, that was a lovely number from the movie Dum Lata Ke Haisa, sung originally by Monali Thakur. Thank you all for your lovely comments, lovely words. Thank you. So yes, thank you for all your compliments on the song selection. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the event, yes, I'm from Bangalore. I'm Preeti Rao. I've performed across India and done independent shows in USA too. I plan to come to I'm planning a show in Dubai soon. Hope to come to Australia soon to entertain all of you also. So me and my mom conduct online music classes. The classes happen for Carnatic classical, light music genre, and the third category is training for stage performances. So please do contact us. You can reach out to me through Himaji on my Facebook page, Facebook wall, or through the messenger. So our music school is called Shrulabha, which is acronym for Shruti, Laya, and Bhava, because these are the three main aspects of a song. So you can always contact me for any classes that you're looking forward to. So we will take the last two songs for the evening. So Mom, thank you.
So, Mom, which is the next song you have in mind?
This song is from the movie
Maya.
Maya,
Yes.
sung by Lata Mangeshkar ji. Very old song, but lovely song.
Thank you, Anusha ji. Thanks. Bobby ji, surely next time. I will put that on my list.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you for that lovely number. Zahida ji says you have an amazing voice.
So thank you all. So last song for the evening. So I'll be singing two lines of one of my very favorite songs, and we will end the event.
hope to join all of you very soon and entertain you more for a longer time. So, नाम गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज़ पहचाने गर याद नहीं. Thank you all. Thank you Himaji, thank you Padmashri auntie for having us for perform for all of you, and thank you mom for coming and singing with me today, for sharing the stage with me. It means a lot. Yes, mom.
Thank you everybody. It's a lovely group that we sang for, and thank you Preeti also. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you all soon.
Yes. So hope to see you all soon and entertain you with more songs. So next time I'm here, I will take requests from all of you prior, and I'll try and sing your requests as much as possible. Thank you, Himaji. Thank you for having us. So Himaji says thank you. Thank you. Great.
Thank you Hemaji.
Okay, so this is me, Preeti Rao and Jaya Rao signing off. See you. Bye bye. Thank you, Himaji. See you.